you're looking for a new mower, you've got to check out the Toro Timecutter HD commercial grade zero-turn mower. The Timecutter HD is perfect if you measure your land in acres, wish that you didn't feel every bump in your yard, and want a fantastic looking cut. Okay, you're probably spending, what, 2 or 3 plus hours on your mower, right? And I'm guessing it's not always the smoothest turf. On top of that, mowing with a zero-turn mower means you can go much faster than a lawn tractor. I mean, this will mow at up to 8.5 miles an hour. But Toro figured out a solution and designed the Toro MyRide suspension system. Once you put your hands on those controls, you'll feel that the whole rest of your body is suspended from the mower. And it's got these adjustable rear shocks, so you can tailor the ride to your personal preference. The MyRide suspension system gives you 3 inches of travel. That's double the typical suspension seat. Most mowers don't have any travel at all. Even without MyRide, the Timecutter HD is really comfortable because all models feature this extra tall, fully padded premium seat with armrests. The big 22-inch rear tires are unique too because they offer over 5 inches of cushion that make you feel like you're gliding right over that rough terrain. The Timecutter HD decks are fabricated with grade 50 high-strength 10-gauge steel, which is nearly 50% stronger than competitive decks. The heavy-duty frame is made of 10-gauge steel too. Put that together with the fully tubular front axle, heavy-duty caster forks, and engine guard, you've got a mower that can stand up to some serious punishment. And the Timecutter HD has some major heavy-duty power too, with Toro's own commercial-grade engine tuned perfectly for optimal mowing performance. And believe me, the Timecutter HD doesn't just deliver durability, speed, and comfort. You also get Toro's legendary quality of cut. The design of the deck and the speed of the blades work together to create the proper airflow and lift, so the grass is cut cleanly for that professional, crisp look. The Timecutter HD has other great features to get the job done faster and to make your life easier too, like the Smart Speed Control System. And check out these built-in bucket holders back here. Really handy to keep your tools with you or to pick up stuff along the way. I also love that I can plug in with this 12-volt outlet. There's even an optional rollover protection system available.